Before you go, and then we're dealing with the behavior of no accountability among our political leaders. Before you go, a bit on that. Now, maintain free on my no
because what's accountability now? The major question to ask is, why now already accountability to?
From who
to the public, right?
Who to? Okay.
It's the public, and
exactly.
But it's the public interested.
And no, I can say I didn't cry. I said declaration you cry. The public shouldn't be. It shouldn't be known to the public. Then how can we hold the person accountable?
That is it. And one thing we need to equally address: societal behavior. Societal behavior on public office. We should all come to agreement that it's an opportunity to serve, not to enrich yourself. For instance, you have more political appointment. It's kind of your family members, your schoolmates, your associates. Everybody will be calling you.
Me producer cry. Me producer cry. Kaisan na me produce you. Kwa no be sa kwa ne minimum pa come.
You realize that will be after calling you. And you a very good moral character. Certain people who face they giving.
Yeah.
They get giving. However, once you are a leader, who is a leader, a major duty is to reform society. Because sometimes society must be saved from their own distraction, self-destruction. And the public name of corrupt, they should continue being corrupt.
They should rather reform the society.
Your media houses are journalism. They are asking the hard questions. Your society groups they are not just singing praise of certain people. They are doing independent work. So the law should give these people the opportunity to scrutinize these assets and making it public. And as what I think National Service scandal recently.
Yeah.
How the whole thing was started by the fourth staker. And because of the Right of Information Act,
sure.
So the Right of Information, they should allow it to penetrate this area too. So they are the country in the public, but this law should allow any media house to be able to
Mahama dia also dia ko mi pese mi hu.
Good. Pese mi hu. Okay, and I believe we be say usu be see dey su a etikonyi na free.
Mo
etikonyi dey na free. Once also obey public service no. And public service public now
the public there is public into nothing secret.
It is nothing secret. So if it's on public service at you. And when I turn on, and your politicians in Guam.
Yes.
Heads of ministries, civil servants.
Was it the president of the republic, the vice president, the speaker, and the deputy speaker, and members of parliament, minister of state and deputy ministers, chief justice, justice of superior court of judicature, chairman of the regional tribunal, commissioner of human rights and administrative justice, deputies and all judicial officers, ambassadors or high commissioners, secretary to the cabinet, head of ministry or government department or equivalent or can be yeah.
In particular, many SIC for SIC state benches, these state benches. Sometimes they are even corrupt than the politicians. Anyone?
Hey, and that's some kitob.
GNPC, those heads.
CEO for no.
Yes, they are part of it too. The ambit of Article 286, is expanded by Act 550 or brought in. At 550, who said there are specific enactments to regulate this area. Then they are expensive. Then they must all declare. Then that. I'm just hoping that Mahama should be able to do it. Now, because at the back, it demanded accountability transparency.
Let's see.
Because Obia can decide not to be accountable. And once you make the system transparent, The accountability no is there.
And your pedia, person obey the man to keep the appointment. No.
That is it. And I even like your topic you are discussing, and I'm saying that a major means of ensuring this accountability is transparency. And the will be because I don't know in a public service, a private service. So the public must know. For instance, may diabetic a credit or maybe passport application processes, your passport. Then the way you secure your passport. Maybe the way you secure your travel license. You can say, sometimes, but I didn't call MI. Maybe I didn't transparent. Also, MI because of it's okay. Our department, the MI department, and the head here. Why? He said, only I'm very important on the head.
Sure.
As to find out why I didn't MI. So once transparency comes in now, it makes accountability easy to ensure.
Lawyer, and then the medal was a but before you go, one of the senior journalists, I mean, no one, no minimum, so person declare the assets. No, so because can one voluntarily declare? But me, I Auditor General say I want to voluntarily declare my assets. Is there any law backing that? Is there any provision in the Constitution for that?
So one, that's a one. Do you mean anybody at all? Because for instance, maybe I say Akusubu Bank, Atemka. That's what I'm declare me asset. They call Auditor General saying you declare me asset because of what? And the next time they say, it has to be a young go phobia and a share. They must declare.
And they're
you don't have a choice in it. You don't have a choice.
Okay.
But most people in their private sector doing their individual work. And now say, let's say, Opemsuo radio. May have it as a policy said before you able to recruit you over Hano. If they say you want it. They say to be voluntarily say, oh yeah, there's no voluntary in it once your name has been mentioned.
Okay.
You put your voluntary
and if your name is not mentioned, you are not
under obligated to do that.
But not.
And I thought I would declare Auditor General magazine is a medical report in Liverpool. It says I am a
Minyadaji.
Okay.
Anna, want me and answer you can't go to any newspaper for any publications. I want to make publication of my assets in there.
Oh, good. So that can be an answer. Better voluntarily declare your asset. You can go to any of the print houses to declare your asset.
Okay.
That one means that we serious.
Okay. And the public in Abenya copy the two not that I update here. Say, what do you become? Lawyer, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure having you. Intellectual intercourse and I discuss. Me that's it.
Okay, that's it. All
right. Lawyer Nicholas Osei Darkwa, or a private legal practitioner na Ebensanu Basia said the Ubenyamu and Tiasiano na Yeneno Achonko no who said the Emrano Eka.